Let's start close to home today. New celandine leaves. In this patch we've also got new bluebells, primroses and goosegrass. It's been raining, so I need to lay out my celandine leaves. I need to let them dry fully before I can press them. And it's a good opportunity to draw them at the same time. It's New Year's Day today, so I'm only going to do a few quick drawings. Once the leaves have been pressed, I want to place them in between my drawings on this page. Lesser celandine is a member of the buttercup family, and it's our earliest buttercup in the UK to flower. I'm always looking out for it in late December and January. It's a sign of the coming spring. It will eventually produce beautiful yellow flowers that carpet the lawn. I'm going to add a little bit of green. I'm going to use two different shades. The Great Willow Herb in indigo and the Yarrow in indigo. These inks sometimes take several coats to build up. So over the coming days I'll add extra coats on the top of this ink to build up the colour away from the background. This is where I'm going to write my weather and mood observations from January. So having a look at my key, today we have obviously rain and grey cloud. Quite average in terms of mood. That's all I'm going to do for today. I'm going to leave these to dry overnight, and I'm going to keep on coming back and adding a few little more layers of this onto here. And then tomorrow I can come back and start adding these to my flower press, adding a few more coats to this, and continuing to move on into this brand new journal. So I'll see you tomorrow.